Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss Microsoft Lens. Microsoft Lens is a great way to capture information from a document, whiteboard, business card, receipts, menus, signs, handwriting memos, or anything else containing text that you want to import so that it can be read using the immersive reader. So we can achieve this by installing an application. Now the applications are available on all the platforms, Android, iOS, and they're also available as a built-in application to some other Microsoft applications like Microsoft Word and Teams, etc. So in this scenario, I'm using iPhone, and I just took a photo using Microsoft Lens application. Now I'm cropping the area of exactly what I want the application to capture. Once I do that and I click confirm, what this will do is this will upload that document onto OneDrive and convert that document so immersive reader can read, and you will be able to listen to the text of the document. So as you can see on the bottom is this option called read. If I click on read button, what it will do is it will start reading the document for you, and you will be able to listen to the whole document that you have captured. You can do books, you can do multiple pages, you can do small paragraphs. It's entirely up to you. Now you have an option.
Her Majesty's Railway Inspectorate has been a bastion of continuity about.
Now you also can increase the speed of the voice, or you can change the voice from male to female, and etc. And if you want to read it as well while you're listening to it, you can always increase the text size so you can see the things properly. There are other changes available, other functions available that you can highlight, like a color-coded punctuation, adjectives, adverbs, nouns, and etc. So it will help the people who are learning the language, especially in the school as well, that it will help them to understand. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you want me to cover any other topic, leave the comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.